Yeah. So Russ, prepare to have your mind blown. So one of the first things I did when I got to Parloa, it's like, if you want to fix something, you got to understand the current state. And so we actually used AI to mystery shop the Fortune 2000. Because I'm like, I don't want to survey. I don't want to know people's perception of how they're doing. Like, let's just shop them all and see how it's going. And so in order to do that, we needed to create some scale. So we built these mystery shopping agents, and we went out and evaluated everyone's current experience. And I was actually kind of shocked. I knew it wasn't good. I didn't expect it to be like as bad as it is. And maybe you'll disagree. Maybe this won't be shocking to you, but 43% of companies don't have a visible customer support number on their website. So again, that tells me, I'm like, gosh, my life's work has been getting customers to want to talk to me. I mean, even market research I've spent tons of money on, and we don't even want people to call at all. Like, that's such a huge opportunity. I think you mentioned chat before, and I mean, the chats are just not really serving a purpose at all. We found that only 8% resolved the mystery shoppers, issue or whatever. And we weren't like blowing minds with our issues. It was usually like basic FAQ stuff that we were asking. So only 8% of the time it resolved the issue. And also only 8% of the time it correctly handed off to a human when we wanted to get handed off to a human. So they're kind of worthless. So I don't know what people are paying for those, but it's not really helping you out or doing much. So that was kind of interesting. Then when we went into voice, we found that 96% were on an IVR, which again, I thought would be less, but fine. And then kind of the clincher was we ended up doing a bunch of like more manual deep dives and using AI to truly experience people's IVR trees, which were, multi-layers deep and this and that. And wait times were up to 90 minutes. Oh, crazy. But in doing that, we found that only 1% of companies are ready for agent to agent. And this to me is going to be a crisis. And so hopefully this is an impending kind of, crisis that will get people the impetus to change, because I do think more and more customers are going to expect that their agent can go and, initiate the return or do whatever needs to get done. And companies really are prepared for that yet.
It's crazy. It's only 1%. I would have thought that, especially the Fortune 500, 2000 would be, running towards this agent to agent relationship. I remember seeing, I liken it to, I won't say her name, the A word and the Google Home word, talking to each other, and making reservations for each other. And
Yeah.
and if you don't have an MCP server or an agent running to contact an agent, then your system's going to be blown up, I would imagine, by, all sorts of people using agents to try to talk to you, because that wave is rapidly coming.
Yes. Yeah.